Okay guys, we have our Cabo San Lucas deal of the day. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, Copala unit, level 3, and this has a beautiful ocean view. 1 owner, and this was kept up just as good or better than any Copala I have ever seen. The only difference is it is priced less than the 2 bedrooms. Why is that? It's because they have some family issues they have to attend to. They need to get back to their family, and that's why we're having a very good deal on this property. Once November gets here, high season gets here, I can see us doing a price raise on this, honestly. That being said, currently this is priced at $799, which is ridiculously low. Now, if you look through the property, this actually is one of the most quiet areas in all of Copala. I know that because I've lived here for 6 years. And where I live is one of the loudest areas. That's okay for me, I don't mind. I like chatting with people. If you like quiet, there's 2 spots you want to be. One would be the end of Tower 2. And that is because there's no pool in front of that tower, but you're just a 1-minute walk away from Tower 1, which is the best pool. So you're kind of getting the best of both worlds there. Now, on top of that, they have an amazing ocean view from the living area and from the primary bedroom that is unblockable, absolutely gorgeous. Well, wait, there's more. On the back side, on the number 2 and the number 3, they both have, or are going to have rather, views of the new golf course. One of the only properties that's actually going to have views of the golf course. Because as you move around, the other towers of Copala, most of them don't have views of the back golf course. However, this unit does. It's coming and it's going to add a ton of value to this property. On top of that, this property has its own parking spot, which many people do not have, and people will pay up to $35,000 for these. That is ridiculous. And we are parked as close as you can get to the unit. That is very, very cool. Turnkey, everything that you see is what you get. Put a little video here so you can check out more about this property, but this is a deal. I should say this is a steal, and it truly, truly is. Because this same exact property, I just sold for $950,000, $150,000 more. If you want to view this property, hit up your boy. And if you want to view any other properties, of course, I can show you a ton of properties. We have about $70 million in properties currently. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, we've got another video you can watch. I got one here, and I got another one right here. You can watch both of those